Quality education shapes the future. It's the cornerstone of success, the beacon that lights the path of prosperity. Welcome to the Instructor School, where we believe in the transformative power of knowledge. At Instructor School, we offer a diverse range of classes, catering from the playful curiosity of the playgroup stage to the inquisitive minds in 8th grade. We understand that each child is unique, and our curriculum is tailored to nurture individual strengths, foster creativity, and ignite a lifelong love for learning. Delving into multiple disciplines, our students are exposed to the wonders of science, the magic of literature, the beauty of art, and the rhythm of music. Mathematics turns into a fun puzzle game, while history transforms into a captivating storybook. We strive to make learning an exciting journey of discovery. A distinctive feature of Instructor School is our Shoba Hifz program. This special initiative allows our students to connect with their roots, enriching their lives with the profound wisdom of the Holy Quran. Through this program, we aim to instill a sense of discipline, respect, and spiritual enlightenment. Now, imagine your child thriving in such a nurturing environment, growing intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. Picture them gaining confidence, developing critical thinking skills, and stepping into the world as responsible, compassionate individuals. The doors to this world of enlightenment are now open. The Instructor School is inviting admissions for the session of 2024 to 2025. This is your opportunity to secure a place for your child in a school that's committed to their holistic development. So why wait? Enroll now. For more information, feel free to contact us at 0334 383 8099 or 048 383 8099. You can also visit us at our campus located at 04A, Major Aziz Bhatti Town, Sargodha. At Instructor School, we don't just educate, we inspire. We don't just teach, we transform. This is where your child's journey to a brighter future begins.